load balancer and auto scaling. Okay. Okay. So Linux is a regular practice, guys. Okay. It's not like we can do in 2 days practice and after that just leave that. It's not like that. If you have a time, you don't have any interest to, put your effort more on any other topic. You just sit with Linux. Just do the practice only. To do the practice Linux, I think not required for interest. Just practice. Even we are not remembering any command, just seeing and do it, right? If you have a 1 hour time, just do it Linux only. Okay, so let me my instance. Oh my god, many instances are running. Okay, so I'm taking public IP. Okay, I'm in user now. Okay, Navdeep Reddy, are you here? I'm getting many requests. While creating, I gave number on SBI. Hi, Phillips. Sorry, I miss your messages. Please, I want call you, sir. Okay, Phillips, we can discuss after 10:30. Okay, we can connect. And if anyone facing issue to connect East instance, give your credentials to me. I will check the environment. Okay. Okay. Yes, Jitesh, share your credentials after this class. Okay. I'll just verify your environment. Is there any, if you have missed anything, okay? Don't worry. Okay. Meanwhile, just I'm in user, right? Okay. So user, what type of permissions are there? Only user related permissions are there. So this user is able to download anything from the internet. There is no option. So we can test anyway. Install httpd -y. No, right? No permissions. So what we can do, let me check first. I'm going to switch root. So no doubt, right? What is root? What is user? Everyone clear, right? What is home directory? What is /? Everything clear, right? Okay. So cd home. Will it work? Why? So again, just to go to our diagram. So if you can see here, here is a / root. After that, home. After that, user, right? EC2 user. Is this clear? Home is default directory. So definitely / is there before, right? Right or not? So what I have tried here? Okay, see, I have given direct cd home. Home is thinking as a, if you have created any directory in your root, it will take as a, it will change into room home. If you want to see here, mkdir home. See, ls home is there. Now we can go simply home, cd home. The reason is I have created a home. Okay, it is not a home directory like / directory. Okay, so cd, sorry, control C, cd, I'll just back to root. Okay, this is root home directory. Inside root home directory, there is no home. If I switch to cd /, I'm in / here. Okay. Okay, I have on reversely, right? Okay. What I'm trying to say here. Now, if you can see, I'm here, right? Root / See, I have all privileges here, all permissions. I'm the root. If you can see here, this is the root. And inside root, we have a directories, right? We have a directories. If you want to see, what is the command to see all directories? ls. See, I'm able to see all directories. Bin, boot, media, mnt, opt, root. Again, there is a root home directory. These are home directories. If I want to go home directory, just simply go cd root. See home, I'm in home directory of root. If I want to go back, cd .. same previous step. If I want to move further, lib, I'm in lib. If I want to back, again /. If I want to move bin or boot, cd bin. cd bin. So accordingly, we can do it. Is this clear? How to move into the inside directories under root? We can move accordingly. If I want to move cd temp, ls, these are the default files are there in the cd temp. cd space .. back. If the directories are there in the under this path, we are able to switch directly cd and directory name. But if I go to home directory is nothing but what? This is the root. Home directory. I can give tilt, otherwise I can give directly cd root. Is this clear? I'm not in here now. I'm not in here. I'm not here now. I'm here. This root directory. Clear? I'm not here. If I can see now, you tell me. If I give ls, am I able to see all the file directories? Anyone? Anyone from online? If I give ls, am I able to see all the directories? No. I'm here only. I'm root home directory. So inside, if there is any files, I'm able to see, right? See, inside file and home is there. Don't confuse. If the / is there, you are here. So able to see all directories. If the tilt is there, you are in the root home directory. Inside root home directory, if there is anything is there, you are able to see. Okay, root by default, all privileges are there. And again, root also there is a subfolders are there, subfiles if you want to create anything. Okay. So don't confuse, guys. This too is very confused to others. If you are not understand now. This is / is for all privileges, actions, under these directories are there. If it is in tilt, if you are creating anything under this root, you are able to see these files. So what I'm going to do now, rm - rf, I'm going to delete. File1, home, ls, nothing is there in my home directory. Okay. So now I want to see my EC2 user. How should I go from here? How should I switch from here? I want to check my EC2 user now. What is the command? So I'm here, right? I'm here. As of now, I'm here, right? Is this clear? Root home directory. I'm in. So I want to move EC2 user. First of all, we should know where is the EC2 user are there? Where? Home, right? EC2 users are there in home, right? So how to go there? From here to here? Here to here. How to go there? If I give CD home, will it work? If I give CD home, will it work? No. I'm in this route. Okay. I'm not in inside. I'm checking inside route. But EC2 user is not there in inside route, right? EC2 user there inside home. So from here to here, how to go to home? First, I switch back to forward slash, right? CD dot dot. So from here to the back step is forward slash, right? If you are here, root the back. If you just go for one step back, you are here, right? So now if I give ls, I'm able to see all directories now. See, ls, again I'm able to see all directories. I came just one step back only. From here to I can access, right? Home, right? How to go home now? CD home. Is this clear now? Now ls. This is my EC2 user. Is this clear? Okay. I'll just delete all those. If I give tab, if I type first letter of D, I want to delete demo one first of all. If I type D, give tab, automatically whatever the files are there here, reflect here. Okay, you just give one. Next, D tab demo 2. Next, T tab test. T tab test 20. Again, T tab test 40. Sorry. Test 40. Again, tab U tab user 1. U tab user 2. Okay. So we can, whatever files are there here, whatever files are there here, we can able to, by using tab, we can able to, instead of typing all the files, we can get it from there. Okay. Okay. I'm getting error. Command not found. Okay. What is the reason? Yes. There is no space. Okay. Again, the same issue. What? Is this work? Will it work? Okay. So ls, I'm able to see only my EC2 user now. Is this clear, everyone? Any doubts? Okay. So next, I'll open my Word document. Very good. Sai Kusma. So this is very important. Okay. First, we are here. If you want to go here, just CD and go there. Okay. CD dot dot. I mean again, forward slash main directory. Okay. I mean in Windows administrator, like here also administrator for forward slash. So now I'm able to see all files. So if I give simply home, whatever, we are able to go in that. Okay. And we have one more home directory for, this is home directory. This is for not root directory, root home directory. If you want to create any files, you can create CD. You can give like CD root. Now I'm in a home directory. Is this clear? Okay. CD dot dot. If I want to go again, same directory, we can give this command also. CD tilt on home directory, whatever. Home directories, this is for tilt. Otherwise, we can give simply CD root. Okay, I'm already in the root, so no such file directory. Clear, right? This is a very important. Whatever the commands touch, these are, we can get it from the Google also, we can do it. But this clarity is very important. People stuck here only. Okay, anyway. So what we can do now, we'll see what are the commands is there in that. Okay, sort. What is the sort command? Before the diff is there, right? Tail is there, head is there, grip is there. Okay, first we can check these are tar and grip. Okay, see, grip is nothing but very important command in DevOps and AWS point of view. So if I create a one file, I can create using cat also, right? Cat greater than file one. I'm in page now. You should have understand the cat file. One drawback is there. If I type here test one, test two, if you skip here, instead of giving enter, skip is control C, right? If I read this file, what are the contents are there in that? Test one, test two. See, only test one. The reason is you skip in the same line, that line is not considered in the cat. That is the main drawback. The same command, if you give up arrow, no need to type again the story. Just give up arrow, down arrow, previous you can check it. Accordingly you can give it. So I'm giving cat file one again. You know, one greater than is what? Override. Enter override. Nothing is there now. If I type anything, nothing is there. Again, test one, test two, test three. Enter. Control C. Now, cat file one. How many files are there in the? Sorry. Online, how many files? 3. Very good. The reason is after test 3, I have given enter. What happened? Okay, test 1, test 2, test 3. Is this clear? That is a drawback of cat command. We should, whatever, if you are adding anything, we should give enter in the last line also. Otherwise, it skip the last line. Cat command. So cat double command is what? Double greater than. Sorry. Adding existing content. Adding the content into existing content. Test 4, test 5. Enter and skip it. Control C. Okay, quit is control C. Now cat file 1, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. Clear cat command? Cat we can use 3 ways. Cat to read the content, cat greater than the file name to add override, cat double greater than is to add new content into the existing content. Is this clear, everyone? The cat command? No doubts, right? Okay. So what we can do now? Grip command, right? Very important. Grip. So grip command, usually the use is if there is a lot of content is there in the file. If you want to search the particular string, we can use the grip. In the Windows, there is no how to find the file. For example, if you want to find a file, there is a search option right in the home. You can search something, enter. If file is there, you are able to see. Otherwise, you are unable to see here. The same thing we can use grip. Grip. Okay. So what we can do here? Okay. What we can do here? Just cat. Sorry. Cat file 2. I'm creating file 2. What? Sorry. Cat file 2. I'm adding content today. Welcome to AWS training. Okay. We have given like this. Control C. What is the file name? File2, right? File2, right? Is this clear? Okay. So cat file2. So today, welcome to AWS Training is Keep. Okay, anyway, I have given the enter into the after that. So if you want to search grep, sorry, file2 grep 2 today. Wait, grep file2 today. No such file directory. ls. I haven't created a file is there, right? Let me check here. grep, correct. So if you have any doubt, just go through this here. Tile diff cat df-h loop wget calendar. These we know. Just wait. Where is the grep command? Yes, I have given grep file1 only, right? Grep file1 only. Grep file1. Oh, I'm trying file2 now. Touch. Let me check in the Google. Grep command. Okay, we should use pipe. I think file. Wait, guys. File2 using pipe. We'll see in this way. Grep. In file2, what is the content is there? 2. No, it is not working. Sorry, I'm not using cat file2. Grep 2. Okay, guys. Okay, we should use cat actually. We are not using cat. See, so inside my cat file2 today, welcome to AWS are there, right? So four lines content is there. 4 lines content are there. Today, welcome to AWS. So cat file2, I'm able to see list of all lines. Okay, list of all lines. But I need only if there is a content 100 pages, otherwise 10 pages. I want to see the content start from 2. Okay, I want to see content start from TO2. So simply I can use this command and do that by using grep. So first cat file2. This is you can understand this pipe is to combine 2 commands. Pipe is nothing but, so this is pipe. Okay, what is this? What is this? See, if I give cat command, guys, cat file2, I'm able to see all content. If the content is, for example, 10 pages, 10 pages content you are able to see by using cat command. But how to apply filter? I want to see only the letter starting from the 2, the string. I want to see the string starting from the TO, or I want to see the string starting from the NA, whatever name if you are giving. You are able to see the whenever the string is start from the NA or TO, you are able to see if you give this command. So cat file2, you just read all the files, but I want only use this command grep TO. Content start from TO. Grep is to search TO. Cat is to read file to. Pipe is to combine these two commands. Clear? So go to read, cat is using to go and read entire file to, but again in this command there is a pipe. User is looking, you just read the content, but he is looking, the content is start from 2 only. Okay, so if you can see here, you can understand it very clearly. See, cat file 2 and giving pipe. If I give here, I'm able to see entire content. Today, welcome to AWS, but I need only string starting from TO. So what we can do, cat file 2 pipe grep is to search TO. Okay, entire lines of strings I'm searching by using grep command. The string is starting from TO. See, instead of seeing 4 lines of the content, I'm able to see the only 2 content the starting from the TO. Is this clear, everyone? If I give same command grep SA, what would be the result? What would be the result? Nothing is there, right? In SA, nothing is there. Today is there, welcome is there, 2 is there, AWS is there, but there is no string starting from SA, right? So grep already search, nothing is there. Okay, the same command I'm giving W, welcome AWS. 2 strings W is there, right? Okay, same. If you are not giving cat command, how to read the file? First, if you want to read the file, first we should give the cat command, right? If I give like this, command not found, we face the same issue, right? So cat read the file, enter content, but in that file, I need only the string is there in the W only. The same thing. The same thing. Cat A. Today is there, AWS is there. So like that we can search it. Okay, like that we can search it. Otherwise, better understanding. Cat greater than file to, right? Yes, file to touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4. Enter. Control C. Cat. Okay, same command. File to read the content, and by using grep, touch 1. So I can get it from the only touch 1 file instead of all files, even though. Okay, is this clear, everyone? Cat file to grep V. I'm not understanding, Ashwin. No, see, multiple set. How we can find out multiple searches? First of all, your target is only one, right? Always your target is only one. How we can search for 2 targets in one search? Is this possible anywhere? Okay. Next command. Okay, head and tail. Head and tail. Simple, guys. Cat. I'm using cat only to read something, write something. Okay, instead of Vim. Otherwise, if you go Vim, we should give insert WQ something, so many commands, right? Cat file 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have given like this way. Control C. If I use the head command, head file 5. I'm able to see all the lines. But if the lines are, I'm just giving cat command again, but this time I'm giving cat greater than 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Control C. So I'm reading now. Cat file 5. 1 to 18 is there, right? If I give the same command, up arrow, head file 5, I'm able to see only 10. So head is nothing but we can search first 10 lines inside our document. See, if I give some content here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many lines are there in the key. If I want to search only first 10 lines, you can use the head command. Okay. If you want to search the content for the first 10 lines, you can give the head command. If I want to search for last 10 lines, you can give the tail command. 18, 17, 16, 5, 14. Head is, tail is quite opposite to head. Is this clear? I'm able to see only 10. Control C, Uma, if you are not giving Control C, how we can quit? In the Vim, how to quit? See, you are typing something, right? If you definitely in the Windows also, before saving, you should quit and save. It will work accordingly. Otherwise, after save this file, you are not in that page. You should close it and again refresh and open the page. The content is there. We can check accordingly, right? So here also, if I give cat command, file 5, right? I'm writing something. I should quit from here, right? To normal use the terminal. So Control C again. Otherwise, keep on the page. You are writing something in that page. So you are done. So you should back to user now or root. Okay. I hope you clear. Okay. Thank you. So again, head file 5. Okay. This is the command to check first 10. I want to check only 5. Anyone knows the command? Anyone? Online? No one is from Linux background. Very good. Head -5 -5 file 2. Sorry, spelling wrong. Huh? I'm able to see only first, but here only 4 is there in the file 2, right? Touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4 only there. So what I can do, I just give the same command file 5. I'm able to see first 5. If you want to see the cat file 5, these many are there, but I want to see only first 5. Is this clear, everyone? I want to see last 5. Give tail. That's it. Last 5 lines. Accordingly, you can manage. If you have 100 lines of content, but you want to see the first 10, accordingly, you can give it. Is this clear? Head and tail. Okay. Diff command. What is the diff? What happened? Okay. What is the diff command? Abhilash. Sir, for commands like in real HTTP, which bin dow et, which language it is? Okay. Okay. Difference between file 1 and file 2. See what I'm going to do now. Diff command to differentiate the files. See cat. I'm using cat. I'm using cat here. File 6. Hi. Hello. How are you? Control C. Cat file 7. Hi. Bye. Control C. So 2 files I have created. File 6, there is a content. File 7, there is a content. If you want to differentiate the 2 files, if you want to know what are the common things in that file, so if you can give diff command, file 6, file 7. Sorry. Hello, how are you? Bye. See, here also hi there, here also hi there. But what are the difference? Hello is not there, how are you is not there, bye is not. These 3 is difference, right? So we are able to see difference one here. Diff is difference one, right? Not common one. See, hello is not there in the first file. Sorry, second file. How are you is not there in the second file. Only hi, bye is there. And next file, third file, bye is there. But hi, nothing is there. Only these 3 is not there in the different. Okay, if you have any confuse, what I can do. Hello spelling wrong. Huh? Okay. Next is hi, bye. Okay, I'll type here. Hi, bye. Okay. See, here differences are, how many differences are there here? File 1, file 2. Hello, first we'll start from here. Hi is map. There is no difference. Next, hello, not there. Immediately typing hello. How are you? Not there. How are you? Next from here, bye, not there, bye. So total 3 differences, right? So if you can see here, 3 differences, 3 column differences. Is this clear? Control C. Next. Sort, right? Sort is nothing but cat greater than file 10 or file 10. Hi, hello. Sorry. Apple, banana. Control C. If you can give file cat file 10. See, hi, hello, apple, banana. I'm able to see. If you can give sort command, file 10. All are in, see, first letter is A, sorting manner. Next is B, hi, hello, hello, hi. Is this clear? But earlier, there is no order, right? Now you are in the order. Sorting, like alphabet order. By using sort, we can do it. Sir, if there is a 20 lines in that, I want to see 10-15 lines. Which command we can use? Which command, guys? 20 lines are there. I want to see only 10 or 15 lines. You can use head or tile, right? Yes. Okay. Next. Is this clear? Sort command. Okay. These are very easy, guys. If you can see all the commands, you just do it and write it only. Export at this time you will not understand. I will discuss later. Next, zip, unzip. So zip files are there, right? If you can see if you download something in the zip format, just simply you can give the unzip to unzip the file. So we are able to see all the files. We can see in the coming classes this one also. SSH we know, right? Service. What is service? Linux command to start and stop services. What is the command we are using to start and stop? What is the command to start and stop we are using to, HTTP server? Systemctl. Very good, Sai Krishna. We are using systemctl start or systemctl stop. We are using, right? So we can use service or systemctl. Okay. We can use service start HTTP-5 also work, or systemctl start HTTP also work. Okay. PS, display active process. See, if you can type PS, these are the processes are running. Okay. Next, DF, disk size. In Windows, we can see directly go CD and properties. We can able to see the disk size, right? And everything. What is the consumption? So if you can give PS, same command it will work. Sorry. DF. Okay. DF. So DF, you can see all the file systems in that root account. So okay. dev/xvda. What is this, guys? What is this? Okay. Where is our root volume in this list of all the volumes? Where is our root volume here? XVDA? XVDA 1, right? This one is, right? Root volume. If you can see here, 8 GB. Our root volume size is 8 GB. See, 8310764. K. If you want to convert, 8 GB. So out of 8 GB, we use 1.5 GB. Left is 6.7 GB. Is clear? So use 20% by /root. I'm typing something, right? I have typed files and created directories. Okay. This is. If you can see, temp, run, boot, dev. What are these, guys? What are these? What are these? Bins, dev. Did you see anywhere? /run, /temp, /boot, /run, /dev. Did you see anywhere? Where? Very good. Root directories. These many. /run, /temp, /bin. So the reason is, guys, if you are creating one EC2 instance, the dependencies are there, right? To run an EC2 instance, there are dependencies. Okay. So while you are creating EC2 instance, automatically the dependencies are going to store in respect to directories. What are the respective directories? Run, to run EC2 instance. So boot, to boot up your instance. Okay. So dev, to use your volume. So accordingly, those are going to store in the respective directories. If these directories are not there, if you delete these directories by wantedly, your user is not work. Definitely your user will not work. So if you can see here, this /, but your volume is there in the root. That's the call we are calling root volume. Is this clear now? That's why we are calling root volume. The volume is not, see, you tell me that. Where is our 8 GB, guys? Where is our 8 GB here? Here, in bin, in where? In home, in dev. Dev. Very good, Ashwin Kusma. See, simple. Go here, search. Mounted on where? Root /, right? We can use that volume, root volume, if required libraries, right? See here. Okay, dependencies are stored. If you don't know what is run, if you don't know what is where, definitely you are unable to understand rest all. Is this clear now? I'm not asking you guys to go what is run, how it will work. Not required. As I said, just understand what is run. Run is nothing but to run the, if you can see, go here. Where is run here? Temporary file system. It will run temporary file system on that EC2. That's it. No need to go inside how it will run, how they are configured. It's not our job. Just for one word only. Bin. User binaries. Is there any bin here? Definitely. See, bin is there, right? Where is the bin here? User is there only. Okay, user is there only. So like that, we can go and check everything by using df. Okay, if you want to check your disk space, give df. Otherwise, we can give df-h also. Used available, little bit clear here compared to here. Okay. Okay. So we'll get it in GBs, MBs, KB format. If you're giving df-h. This is very important command, guys. In interest, maybe if there any chance to ask how to ensure your disk size by using command. This is the command df-h or df. Even we'll do in the lab itself also. We are going to attach new volume, right? We have already attached volume, right? But if you want to use that volume, we should mount on your disk. Attach is not at all done. You should mount on your disk. We can see in the later. Okay, is this clear, everyone? Okay. Mount also we can check later. Next, chmod, chown, ifconfig. Okay, I'll give ifconfig. ifconfig. If we can see all IP details here. Okay, network details and IP details. What is the command? ifconfig. Okay, so nothing is there. So there is no concept how ifconfig will come here. You just remember only. You just remember only command. wget. See guys, wget is nothing but, for example, I want to download some Tomcat, Apache Tomcat. See guys, I want to install Tomcat application server on my EC2 instance. So we know m install httpd-y. We can do it, but that will work only that repos already configured an EC2 instance by default. Okay, but by default, HTTPD is configured on EC2. Those files already configured by cloud providers. But if the Apache Tomcat is there, Apache Tomcat, they are not configured into your AWS instance. If you give m install, sorry, Tomcat. Okay, so Tomcat is unable to find. The reason is inside there in the repo list, the EC2 user inside there is a repo list. In that repo list, there is no Tomcat. If you are using m command to call the repo list inside your EC2 mission, not from outside of the world. Okay, for that, we have a m install httpd. We're able to download the locally httpd is there in your repo list. In your repo list inside EC2 mission. But if there is no repo list in my EC2 instance, Tomcat is not there in that like. So definitely we can install from the internet. How we can install? So there is a tar file or zip file to install Tomcat. So for example, right click, copy link address. Okay, I'll just copy the link address. You use the wget command to download from the internet. What is the, see, this is the HTTPs I have copied from the URL. If I give enter, it will work now. Okay. So what is the wget? If you want to install from the outside, not inside the network, just use the wget. If you want to install Facebook, wget Facebook. If you want to install Instagram, wget Instagram. Just I'm trying to say like that only. If you want to check ls, see my Apache Tomcat is there. Okay. But this is tar file. Tar file, we should untar it. Like zip file, we should unzip it, right? If there is a zip file, guys, I don't know in my zip file is there or not. See, this is the zip file, right? This is the zip file, right? If you click, I have already extracted. So what we can do, right click on it. We should extract all the files, right? If you give this extract, so whatever the files are there, those files are going to store this path. Now we can use those files. But if it is a zip format, you are unable to access, right? You are locked, you are packaged the files. You are packaged the files. We should unzip it. We should extract it to use those files. Same kind it, if it is a tar more like zip also, one more file is there like tar file. We should untar it. We should untar it means we should extract. How to do that? If you can see, I have downloaded tar file, right? I have downloaded tar.gz. We should untar it. Sir, why we need to download tar.gz? If there is a files, we can download directly, right? If you want to download the files, maybe 1000 files are there in that. How you can download? You should use wget 1000 times. How difficult it is? No, I'm just downloading by package manner only. Once it's got downloaded into my machine, I'm untar it. I'm extract it, right? The same thing, if you download from the internet, anything, you will get it from the package manner only, zip format only, right? Otherwise, you should download all files. Are you getting what I'm trying to say here? If you're downloading something, you will get initially zip format. We should right click and extract it. Otherwise, it's difficult to download all dependencies by click internet, right? So like that also here, if I download from the internet, you will get all dependencies files inside tar.gz. If you want to see, if you want to use those, you should untar it. Okay, you should untar it. Let's suppose, guys, what I'm going to do, cd Apache. If you can give tab, why it's not working? I don't know. Okay, maybe tar is not taking. So if just I'm copying here. Okay, so not a directory. The reason is it's a tar file. It's not a directory file. I'm unable to use. I want to switch to Tomcat. I'll just check to what are the files are in the Tomcat, but I'm unable to switch to Tomcat. The reason is it's a tar file, right? If see whatever the zip files are there, tar files are there, we are unable to use until extract it, right? So what is the command to extract the tar file? Means untar it, tar minus xvzf and give same. I'm just giving here only. Okay, just select, no need to copy, guys, just select only. Select, just come here, right click, that's it. Don't take copy and paste, control C, control, it won't work here. Untar, ls, see this time I'm able to see, right? Apache Tomcat. If you want to move here, I'm able to move inside Apache Tomcat. If you want to check ls, these are the files are there in the my Apache Tomcat. If you want to download these files without tar, definitely you should download first wget building the text, wget license, wget readme.md, wget running.txt, wget config. You should do all exercise, right? If you're not downloading tar file, what I'm doing here, I'll just get the package here. I'm extracting here. So what we can understand here, wget is to install from the outside and tar minus xvjdf is for untar it. Same we can do zip file also if required. See, right click, copy link address. What is the command to download? wget and right click. Downloaded, right? ls. See, zip file is there. cd. See, I have downloaded my user is Apache Tomcat here. That's the reason I'm able to see here. Let's suppose I'll just switch back to cd dot dot. I'm in home directory. If I give ls, am I able to see Apache Tomcat zip file here? No, I have downloaded inside my Apache. Okay. See, zip file I'm unable to see, right? I have installed the zip file. I'm in the Apache Tomcat user. So I'll just go back, Apache tab. I'm in Apache. If you can give ls, I'm able to see zip file here. So very clear here. Before downloading anything, you should check where you are. This is very important. People may did mistake. They are installed in other users, but they are checking in the other users. It's not possible. Okay, now how to unzip it? If you can go here, what is the command? Unzip it only, right? So I'll just add here Control Z to untar tar minus xv zdf and file name. Okay. File name. So to untar tar file. I have added that one also. Okay. So how to unzip it? Same simple unzip. So first I'm trying to move in that directory. Apache. Okay. Copy. Just select only. No need to Control C, Control V. Not a directory. Reason is it's a zip format. I should do unzip it. Unzip. Clear? ls. See, I'm able to see now. Apache Tomcat unzip format. Now we can switch to there. Guys, what is the difference here? Apache Tomcat 9.0.82. Okay. Next, cd switchback. I'm here only. ls. Apache Tomcat 9.0.82. Is there any difference? We have installed in two variants the same Tomcat by using zip format, by using tar format. We have so many formats, guys, but end of the day, the whatever you are going to download, that is same. If you want to check cd ls, same files are there. Nothing is there. This is just, you can ignore it. We have installed on top of this user, right? Just ignore it. If you want to go there, Apache ls, same files are there. There is no difference, guys. Zip, unzip, tar, unjar. Okay. If you can see here, I have downloaded zip format. Otherwise, you can download a tar format. Whatever format you should extract later. Is this clear, everyone? We can use tar -cvzdf also. Whatever. So many we have. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. I'm just switch back to cd. Why after giving cd still I'm able to see this Apache Tomcat? Anyone? I have inside already created one more Apache by using in the zip format process, right? If you can give cd. Is this clear now? I'm in home directory. ls, these many things are there. rm minus rf to remove a, just give tab. Okay. Deleted. ls rm minus rf. This is zip format. Give tab after give a. Delete it. Nothing is there. ls. Is this clear, everyone now? Everyone, clear? No doubts? Okay, I will finish it in 10 minutes, guys. Whatever we can use Ashwin. But this is the easy way. Okay, next. So, okay, now I'm going to create one more file. So let's AWS file, touch AWS, ls AWS. Okay, ls-la. This is for, we can check including permissions also. Okay, if I created a file, if I created AWS, right, what are the permissions are there? So this is for permissions line. How we can identify this? What is R here? What is W here? So before that, I'm going to give small information here. If the file or directory, how we can identify in this manner? If the starting letter is D here, we can identify this is a directory. .ssh is a directory. If there is no, nothing is there D, if there is only dash here, all are files. So if out of list of all folders and files, we have a, how many directories here? 3. 1D, 2D, 3D. Even color also different, blue. But instead of identifying the color blue, you just identify the letter is starting from the D is directory. Is this clear? The letter is starting from the minus, that is for files. Clear? What is the command we can use? ls-la. If you click ls only, you are able to see list of files only. But I need permissions. What are the permissions are there for file 10? How we can identify? ls-la. These are the permissions. If I want to see my permissions for AWS, I will tell you how to identify this one. Okay. Before that, we are able to see dot files also. Dot files. Anyone knows what is dot files? Anyone? What is dot files? Hidden files. Very good, Jyoti. Hidden files. If you want to see hidden files, the same command ls-la. Okay. So now I can verify what is this RW again minus R minus R minus. I'll just take from here. I'll copy somewhere. AWS, right? So I'll just leave one minus before, right? This is for to identify file or directory. First one is, I'm just leaving this one. Okay. I'll just copy from here. AWS. Copy. Sorry, here not required. I'm explaining in the Paint for your better understanding. Paint. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is okay. See, guys, if you can see, just I'm giving space only. Don't. Oh my God. Wait. I'm giving space only. I'm just dividing into 3 parts. Okay. I'm dividing into 3 parts. 3, 3, 3. Total 9 characters here. I just changing the color. Okay. We have a 3 type of permissions. One is for R is nothing but read. Next, W is nothing but write. What about next one? X. X is nothing but execute, right? Execute permission. So if you can see my AWS, my AWS read, write permissions are there. There is no execute permission. Okay. So, and also I have divided into 3 blocks, right? First block is what? Anyone knows? First block, user. Very good. What about second block? Group. Yes, group. Very good. Third, others. What is others here? Oh, many of us know this thing. Others. Okay, guys. User, group, others. Okay. Let's. I have a file 1 user, file 2 user, file 3 user, file 4 user. Okay. I have a list of 4 users. First, I'll just try to explain user. What is user? I have created AWS, right? That is comes under user. By default, I will get read, write, access. There is no execute access. Okay. But in the group, if you create a one user, automatically one group also created. I will show you how to do that. So I'm going to create one user here. User add first. Otherwise user one. No, first user. I'm creating one user. Okay. User add. This is the command to create one user. First user created, right? ls-la. Sorry. Okay. I have created first one user, right? If you want to check these user details, we should go cat to read etc passwd. If you can see here, first user. Before that, ECT user by default is created. After that, I have created so many users. Okay. This is the user. I'm trying to say here, what is user block is nothing but if you create any users, that user comes under this block. User block. Okay. And by default, if you can create a user by default, group also created by using first user. Okay. First user also group. If you can see here, this is a group. Others. If you're not, others is nothing but inside I have so many users like systemd, nobody, FTP, game. So many users are there. These are comes under others. If I'm not talking about respective users, remaining are comes under others. Okay. Okay. So, and I'm coming to that permissions now. So I will explain tomorrow. We don't have much time to go in depth. So I will take a one example of create a one file and how to give the permissions. We can take it tomorrow class. Don't worry. But just I'm going to show you how to create a user and group only. And regarding permissions, one is for read, one is for write, one is for execute, right? If you can see my user, if I create a one user, by default read write is there. There is no executive permissions. How to give the executive permission, how to give the read permission, how to give the write permission, we can discuss into the tomorrow class. Okay. So for your information, I have given entire content here in a very, very clear manner. I have added content already yesterday night. See what is read, what is write, what is executive. If you can see, this is file type. Okay. First minus is D is for directory. I'm just downloaded from somewhere. This one is GitHub. If you can see users, others, group, permissions, how we can give these first 3 is user, middle is group, last one is others. So permissions. So if you want to give permissions, we can give 2 ways. One is for absolute method like numeric method. So by using number, we can give you the permissions. Okay. This is very clear document. I like this document. If you want to read this, I will share you. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to discuss briefly about users and role, like groups and permissions. Okay. But today only we discuss what are the commands till now. So just go through that, and how to add the user. You just add this command also. I think either there or not. Let me check. User add command there or not. Otherwise I will add. Okay, there. Okay, guys. So last 10 commands we can discuss tomorrow. Cal is nothing but calendar only. If you just give calendar only. Okay, nothing to discuss. Alias will discuss. What are the files are running? If you want to see, give top command. These many files are running. If you want to check. Okay, guys. We'll do one thing. Tomorrow we are going to discuss completely on users creation, how to give the permissions. It will take half an hour time. Okay, that's it. So guys, these 3 days, I think today is the second day for Linux. These 3 days is enough. Don't go for other documents, other stuff. Okay. If you follow this document, more than enough for 80%, you can do it. Don't go for, go inside how to configure the servers in the on-premises Samba server. What is Samba server? Don't go mail service, FTP servers. Don't go in that level. These are fine. Okay, I'm sharing this document again to you, which added content. This is updated one, guys. I have added users permissions, how to do that. Okay, I have already uploaded in the Telegram. You just go through that. I have shared. Okay, this is very, very nice document, guys. I have seen many, documents, but this is very clear document regarding groups and users creations. If you can see this, you can easily understand. No need to, attend tomorrow class also. Nowhere is available like this document. I have seen one GitHub. Navadeep. Please don't miss classes here. Otherwise, take recordings. Okay, Navadeep Reddy. I will help you. Don't worry. Okay, guys. So, anyone has any doubts? Please practice those commands till now. What we discussed. Short command, top command, wget, and these are very important. Wget command is very important. Untar is very important. Move command is every day we are doing the same exercise. If you are doing any server configurations, we should download it, we should untar it, we should go inside it, we should check the files. If anyone asks, how to understand Linux, I will tell you first, understand this file structure. This is very important. What is PWD command? Just 1 minute, I'll recap the commands. Present working directory. What is the difference between Vim command and cat command? This may you will get an interview question also. You can say cat. When I say cat, you can say 3 ways of using cat, right? So by using cat, we can read the content, we can write the content, we can overwrite the content like Vim. But sorry, not Vim. Vim we cannot override. We can go and add the content simply. Okay. Next. I want to move file from one folder to other folder. What is the command I should use here? MV. What about copy? CP. I want to check IP details. What is the command? ifconfig, not ipconfig. Okay. I want to unzip the file. What is the command? Unzip and file name. I want to untar the file. tar minus xvzf. I have added in the commands list. Okay. Next, I want to check the disk details. Disk is nothing but my ECD user. There is a hard disk, right? How to check the disk details? What is the command? Very good, Subham Jyoti. DF. Okay, I want to check the DF. This is a very important command. Next. What is the echo command? Echo. Nothing is there. Just print. Echo is nothing but print. Echo. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It will print same content. Okay. Echo is print the statement. Whatever you have, you are going to give. Next. Echo. Day to Linux. Day to Linux. That's it. Next. Printing. Yes. What is the sort command? What it will do? Ascending or descending? Alphabet manner, ascending manner, right? For sorting alphabetic. Very good. You know what I can understand, guys? I think 5% people know Linux, but still they are attending the class. They refresh their skills. Example, Shubham Jyoti, what I observed, and Ashwin. But in the class starting, 59 people I'm able to see. Now 42. This is the problem with the students. Okay. Early leave. This is, if they leave, we discussed 10 comments now. They miss or not? That is the problem with the students. Always what I observed in my last 6 or 7 years. If you know, still stay here. Help to others. See, how do I